Hello everyone, my name is Eugene First. This is lesson number 12, grade 8 mathematics. Before we look at today's work, I want us to look at the work that I gave you last time. Okay, so you're supposed to use BODMAS to simplify this expression. Okay, so according to BODMAS, you should first work out what is in the brackets, and then after that you go on to exponents, division, and then multiplication. Now here we have something in the brackets. We need to square that. If we square that, we must get 25. So 5 squared is 25. And then after working out what is in the brackets, we should now move on to division. There's no division, so we proceed to multiplication. And 25 times 3 will give us 75. Okay, so what we need to do now, there's only subtraction, so that is what we need to do. So 100 minus 75, that should give us just 25. And 25 and 25 and 25 minus 25 will give us 0. So this whole expression, if you do it according to BODMAS or BEDMAS, you just get 0. Let's go to the B part. The B part says we have square brackets, and then inside the square brackets you have 30 minus 27 is in the smaller brackets, and then plus 7, and you have the power, you have the root here, 81, and also you have an exponent. So we are going to do this at the same time because they all qualify to be done at the same time. Or maybe we can just do the brackets and then we do the root later. Okay, so this is what we have. All right, so 30 minus 27, that should give us 3. Okay, that must give us 3. Okay, and then 2 exponent 2 must give us 4. Okay, 2 exponent 2 should simplify to 4, and then after that we can simplify this bracket again. If we simplify that bracket, 3 plus 7, that should give us 10. Okay, give us 10, and then we proceed to the square root of 81. So that's why at the beginning of this lesson I told you that you need to remember your square numbers, cube numbers, square roots, and cube roots. So 81, square root of 81 will give us a 9. So square root of 81 must give us a 9. Okay, paste. So this must be a 9. All right. So there's no division, so we proceed to multiplication. So we need to say 10 times 9, that will give us 90. So this will become 90, and 90 take away the 4, we're just going to get 86. So this whole expression, if you do it according to BODMAS, you're going to get 86. All right, thank you. Let's move on to today's work. Now today's work requires you to know your times table. Okay, so if you are told to multiply 3 times 5, what does it mean? It means you add up 5 3 times, or you are adding up 3 5 times. So you should know your times table. Okay, let's see. So what we have here is that you are told that 30 times 25 is 750. So work out 31 times 25, or you can work out 32 times 25. All right. What is important here is your times tables. Right? Very, very important. So you should know your times table. So for instance, if you are told that 4 times 5 is 20, so it means 4 is there 5 times, or you should add up 4 5 times, or you should add up 5 4 times. So 4 is there 5 times means you add up 4 5 times. 4 plus 4 is 8, 12, 16, and 20. 5 is there 4 times, you add up 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 is 10, 15, and 20. Okay, you need to know your times table. You need to know what does it mean if you are told 2 times 10. What does it mean? It means you add up 2 10 times, or you add up 10 2 times. Very, very important. So once you know that, you're not going to struggle. And by the way, you are going to do this in paper 1. You are likely to do this in paper 1 when there is no calculator. So that's why you need to know your times table. All right, so let's say you are given this. Work out 30. Okay, you are told that 30 times 25 is 750. So work out 31 times 25. All right, here's the solution. So you know that 30 times 25 means 30 is there 25 times, or you can say 25 is there 30 times. So the first one simply means you are going to add up 30 25 times. So you take 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 until 25 times. All right, and that's a lot of work. That's a lot of work. Okay, and then for 25 times, for 25 is there, or you can say 25 is there 30 times. So you add up 25 30 times. So 25 plus 25 plus 25 until you get to 30, which is a lot of work here. So what you need to do, you should always use what you know. Very, very important. So you must use what is given. In fact, use what is given to you. You must use the fact that 30 times 25 is 750. That is what you need to use. Okay, so since 25 did not change, only 30 changed to 31. This means 25 is now there 31 times. So you must now add up 25 31 times. So all you need to do is just add an extra 25 to 750 and get 775. So this is just like adding an extra 25. Okay, so from here to this one, it's like you add an extra 25. So that's why I've decided to come up with this. All right, 30 times 25 is 750. Sorry for that. So 31 times 25 is 750. Then you add an extra 25, because now you have 3125. Okay. What about 32? So 32, it means you should now add 2 extra 25s. So if it's 33, then it means you must add 3 extra 25s. I hope you can see the pattern. So you should always use what you know, and this will always set you free. All right. So because there's a 1 here, you add an extra 25. Because there's a 2 here, you add extra 2 25s. Because there are 3, and there's a 3 here, you add 3 extra 25s. Okay. I hope you got that. Now what I want you to do is to try example number 2. So you are told that 40 times 17 is 680. I want you to work out 40 times 19. That's your work. Remember, this question will come in paper 1 where you are not supposed to use a calculator. That's why you need to know your multiples. All right. Thank you for watching, and remember to share the video. Leave your comment in the comment box. Subscribe so that every time I produce a video, you'll be notified. And thank you for watching. And by the way, if you are interested in these notes are coming from this study guide. Right? So please get in touch with me so I can print out one study guide for you. I also have Physical Science Grade 8. All right. See you in the next video, and please do that work and send your answers to me via WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and bye.